Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna walk you guys through on how to replace cabin filter on 2013 ML350. This technique should be applicable to other ML like the 2013, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. But this particular one is for ML 2013, and I'm gonna walk you guys on step by step on how to remove and reinstall the cabin filter on this car. So to start, you have to remove this compartment right here. The cabin filter is located somewhere underneath this place, so you have to take this apart. It's very easy. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. Just pull this out. Then there is a clip right here. Just unclip it. There's another clip right here. There's a clip right here. Only if you can see it from here. Clip right here. Just unclip it, and this comes right out. Right. So there you go. The cabin filter is exposed right here. You just remove it. It comes out easily. You can see it's already filled with dust. So this has to go away. Then there is another one. There are also two inside. I don't know if you can see, but there are also two cabin filters right here. So this two has to come out as well. Alright, so it's very easy to bring this out. You just have to pull and just bring them out. So as you can see, so you just have to be mindful of this arrow. So when I'm putting in the new one, make sure you follow the direction of this arrow to replace the new one. Alright, so there is another one there. There are two sets of air filter. So this is the first one. There's another one still in there. I'm gonna remove it as well. So there you go. Yes, as you can see, this one yeah, it was like this inside there. So when I'm replacing this, I'm gonna also replace it this way. So you can see here, this arrow is down facing this way. The other one, I'm not sure if it's on purpose, because if I turn it back, so there is an edge right here. So it's gonna be an issue if I do it this way. So I have to, if I'm putting it back, I'm gonna put it this way. Alright, so that it matches the way it came. So there's an edge right here, there's an edge right here. Alright, so be mindful of that. Alright, so this is the brand new air filter I'll be replacing this with. As you can see, this is the arrow that was pointing down, so you have to align this air filter accordingly. Now the good thing about this is, see the edge I was talking about, it's on both sides. Alright, so I guess you can actually install this like this. You don't have to flip it so that the edge will match, just like the one that came out of it. So the edge is on both sides on this new one, so it doesn't matter, but just make sure the airflow is pointing down. All right, I'm gonna take this apart and then install. All right, so let's go ahead and install the new one. See, and the arrow is pointing down, so I'm gonna place it right inside. Considering putting the one of the air filter, so I'm gonna put the next one. All right, securely in place. All right, so I don't know if you noticed, there was another air filter at the front, which protects the main carbon filter inside. So I'm going to replace this with a brand new one. As you can see, it's very dirty. So, and one thing you have to also notice is when removing this, you have to be mindful of the airflow. You can see the airflow is going this way, it's going forward. So when you're placing the new one, you make sure it's in this direction. All right. So I bought a brand new one. Let's see. I'm gonna install it. So you can see the direction of the airflow. It's going this way, so I'm going to put it right the way it is. Okay. So right, it's in place. As you can see, just make sure it's on the hook. It's inside the hook. I don't know if you can see the hook. So make sure it's attached to the hook. And that's it. You then replace the cover. Put this first. This way. Let's see. Let's sit back like this. Attach the hooks. Then replace this. Right? Very easy. You can see there are hooks right here, so you make sure the hooks align to the pockets like this. This hook right here goes into this pocket. Alright, and then this one goes into this pocket like that. Alright, then push this side to go inside. And that's it. There you have it. I just showed you how to replace cabin filter in a Mercedes ML350. If you learned anything from this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to get more additional videos. Thank you. Bye.